As you can see in this hole here, there's some bark laying in the hole, and you see the bark is peeled. Same way with that way. It's like it's starting to peel off and sheet. And that's where it gets struck by lightning. You can't see up there too well. But the neighbors told me the tree got hit, and this is what the result was. And it just came down and struck, hit the earth. I've never seen anything like that before. Hopefully it doesn't kill the tree. It's only not all the way through. It's just the bark that killed is right here and right there. The rest of the tree is fine. I guess there's some damage over here too, but I didn't see that. But it tripped two breakers, and I think this hole in the ground here is just pretty awesome. And I just struck and blew the dirt around. I mean, it's a hole. So that's part of my issue I had with the latest storm. The other issue was it blew this branch off, which it was rotten anyway, which I never seen these abnormal growths on the tree before, but it's got some odd looking abnormal growth. I don't know what you call it, just odd to me. That branch did that, and I need to come out here and replace this panel. So it's just cracked this one and it cracked that one, broke that one. Fun. So I'll show a different video next. Last at least, it blew sheets of the ridge vent clear off the nail, just pulled it right out. Never seen anything like that before. Had good wind. That just broke it. That's just insane. But I got that fixed, so I don't have to worry about the roof leaking. That was fun. And welcome to the next TV, hopefully I can fix for the Calhoun family. As a Samsung 52-inch TV. This is an LED TV. Guy gave it to me because he's no longer going to be around because of other issues. But I wanted to show how small they're getting things. This is a speaker here. You got your power board, your digital board, and your T-Con board. And you have your inverter boards, and not your inverter boards, but your inverter is part of the power supply. Not that I say that, but it's LED backlight. But you have your other boards along the edges. Now, this TV I like because, as you can see, my thumb is almost wider than the TV itself. This thing is super thin. It is insane. And it sucks that I might not be able to fix it. I may just leave it as is. It's got a 3D image effect across the top, the text on it. So, work in progress. I gotta take this weekend and take the frame off of it. And then I might have to take the glass out in order to get to the bottom part, just to see if we have a bad ribbon cable or something that I probably won't be able to fix. So, it's one of my projects I'm working on. Sounds exciting, don't it? And thanks for watching my video. That was kind of scary. Scary like Charlie over there. Say hi to Charlie. He's falling. He can't get up. You see, he's been there for a while. He's starting to kind of decompose. Poor Charlie. He's just pushed off in the corner. If you want to see Charlie in more videos, click on the like and subscribe button. Click like right here on Charlie's little head. You know, click on the box right here that says subscribe. Because Charlie likes you. Maybe he'll rise from the dead and start talking. So, thanks for watching my video. See you next time.